The Alpine RS-SB12 Subwoofer Enclosure delivers surprisingly deep, controlled bass from a very slim cabinet that fits easily behind seats or in tight trunks. Its sealed enclosure is built from thick, medium-density fiberboard with a rigid aluminum dust cap and steel mesh grille, so it feels solid and holds up well to daily use. The lightweight neodymium motor and oversized voice coil give this shallow subwoofer impressive continuous power handling, making it sound closer to a full-depth woofer than its size suggests. Bass notes stay tight and musical across a wide frequency range, so it works just as well for fast rock tracks as it does for bass-heavy electronic or hip-hop. Adjustable rubber feet and a clean, halo-inspired finish make installation straightforward and help the enclosure sit securely while still looking like a factory-quality upgrade. For enthusiasts who may expand later, the design can be paired with a matching enclosure for even more output while keeping a consistent visual style.